Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today, we're going to make a keto kimbap. Keto is the new food trend that maximizes the intake of fat and minimizes the intake of carbon. For many people who eat a lot of carbon, this diet will definitely help to lose weight. And this is also a stress-free because you can still eat meat and vegetable. So if you're ready, let's get started. To start with, you have to trim down the vegetable. Cut out the both edge of carrot and peel off its skin. Then, I'm gonna use a mandolin to shred them. Carrot is very hard, so I think best way to shred them is use a device. Next ingredient that we're gonna use in kimbap is a pickled radish. Slice them and shred them. Cut the cucumber into half and remove the seeds inside. The seeds inside the cucumber is very moisty, so removing them prevents kimbap from soaking with the moisture. Then peel off its skin. Cut the cucumber into 3 parts. Then, slice them and season them with 2 pinches of salt. Then, put 2 spoons of oil inside the pan with shredded carrots. Stir them about 5 minutes. Stir them all together with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, put 2 spoons of oil inside the pan with a shredded cucumber. Stir them about 5 minutes. This process will remove the most of its moisture inside the vegetable. Crush 2 eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt. Whisk them all together. Spread the oil with a kitchen towel. Pour an egg mixture on a pan and flip it upside down. When it is done, place them on a dish. Then, let's make a chicken breast steak. Make a separate cut in the chicken breast to make them cooked better. Then, sprinkle a pepper on both sides. Put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt on a chicken breast. Then, put 2 tablespoons of cooking wine on the chicken breast. Leave them for 10 minutes to make it seasoned. Put 5 spoons of oil on a pan and put a seasoned chicken breast. Put 2 teaspoons of ground garlic and flip it upside down. Grill them about 7 minutes. Then, put them on a cutting board and roughly cut them with a knife. Cure them using hands. Cut the 1/3 of liver with a knife and place them diagonally on a liver. This will prevent kimbap from tearing out. Then, put 2 slices of cheese on the bottom side of liver. Put a half of egg garnish that we made before. Put a shredded carrot on the middle of liver, just between the cheese and egg garnish. Then, place a shredded chicken breast steak beside the carrot. Put a shredded pickled radish on a cheese. Place a cucumber on an egg garnish. Don't try to put too much ingredient inside, for it'll explode. Press them in many directions using your fingers to make ingredients stick to each other. And then apply sesame oil to make it more shine. Cut them using a knife. It looks so colorful and gorgeous. It doesn't contain any kinds of carbon, but still feel like chewing a rice. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!